Hi, I'm Steve Gorman, Director of Admissions at NHTI. Welcome to NHTI's first ever virtual open house. In this virtual open house, we've done our best to provide an easy to navigate experience so you can get answers to all your questions, discover more about our academic programs, and learn more about the student life activities and experiences that we have to offer. Now, our on-campus open house normally takes place in our gym and in labs throughout the campus. This open house experience is going to give you the same access to faculty and staff that you would have had in the gym, just in a Zoom environment. So please visit as many programs as you like by clicking on the Zoom links for each program or department that you're interested in. And those can be found in the program schedule that was sent to you by Megan Donahue, our enrollment specialist who put this whole event together. Now, some of our faculty will be hosting their Zoom rooms from their lab areas on campus in order to show you everything that their program has to offer. And in some cases where faculty or staff are not available for the open house, you'll see a link to a pre-recorded session, a link to our website, or faculty staff contact information, or all the above. I really hope you enjoy this virtual open house and you leave with all the information you need to make a decision about your educational future. NHTI exists to serve the needs of New Hampshire citizens and the needs of the New Hampshire workforce. If you're uncertain about your educational future, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, be aware that we're here to provide affordable, high-quality education close to home with options to enter the workforce or transfer to colleges and universities nationwide. Whether it's for one semester or a full 2 years or more, there's a place for you here at NHTI. I'm a community college graduate myself, and I really believe in what we do here. So please drop into the admissions room, Zoom room, if there's anything I can do to help you. And thank you so much for attending.